My hair been growing like crazy, and all of you asking what's updated your hair routine for your hair gen. I am in postpartum, 18 months right now, so you all girls that had babies, you know postpartum hair don't grow that fast. And I will put down below what I did, what supplements I took, but one of the best things what I'm doing is microneedling. I will show you how, and you will not believe it, guys, that I actually discovered that my facial hyaluronic acid serum, it does have beautiful natural ingredients, including aloe vera, jojoba, like a lot of good things that you will never think that you can use facial hyaluronic acid serum, which is hydrating. So if we're hydrating skin, why don't we hydrate our roots? Our hair is breaking because they're not hydrated enough, they're too dry and stuff like that. You know, I'm just gonna share what works for me. Try it, give it a couple of months and see if that's gonna work for you. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open Dermaroller that is already coming sealed and disinfect, but I still gonna show you how I disinfect. Disinfection is extremely important if you don't want to have infection. Any microneedling tool you use, you should disinfect. So, real individual needle Dermaroller. This is 0.5 size Dermaroller with real individual needles that are trademarked, which is I love it the most. I'm gonna use liquid oxygen. Also does have baking soda. It's just a couple of ingredients. I put few pumps over here. I'm gonna let that sink in. This actually disinfects better than alcohol. It's a travel size. I do disinfect my hands. I do wash my face with that. I do wash my baby's face with that. Disinfect his hands. Disinfect fruits and veggies. Just pour a little bit, few pumps. I love it. It's soaked in. I'm gonna take a very clean white towel that I only use for the face and for the Dermarollers and nothing else. Not wiping my hands every single day. I'm gonna roll away that foam. Or you can just do that before the night that, it will be easier. And I'm gonna let it a little bit more to settle, to soak in. And meanwhile, I will put hyaluronic acid serum, and I'm gonna put all the ingredients right here so you can read it all yourself. All natural, plant-based. By the way, it is 95% naturally derived ingredients and 22% organic ingredients. I am personally love natural stuff. I don't say that it's better or not better, but I don't want to put synthetic stuff. I'm rather gonna use something natural. You do you. Use minoxidil, no judgment. So I'm dividing my hair in half, and I'm literally like that, putting on my scalp few pumps. Could be a little bit more. I am using more at the end of hyaluronic. I'm using everything that was kind of 1/3 of the bottle. I'm putting everything wherever is left in the palms and really applying on all my hair roots, even there in the back. There we go. 0.5 millimeter Dermaroller with real individual needles. You want to see needles right here. That is very important when you choose your Dermaroller tool. So right here I go 1 2 3 4 5 above 1 2 3 4 5. It's 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, and I want to show you. I will look at myself in the mirror like that, but I'm not right now. Like 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and basically I do like that my whole head, separating here in section. Remember, do not overdo. So again, 2 pumps in the front, 2 pumps. Everyone's hair is different. I know you guys gonna ask me like, how many pumps? Your hair is not my hair and my hair is not your hair. I have a lot of hair, so I put a little bit more of the pumps. If I'm gonna use half of the bottle for one session, that's totally fine. So there's 2 ways you could do. You can go 1 2 3 4 5, or you can go 1 and until the end, 2 and until the end, and you do that 5 times. So it really depends on you. If you're just beginner first time, do 3 rolls. It's enough. You will have benefits. When you roll 20 times, you cause collagen breakdown, which you do not want to do that. 5 5 5 5. Now again, I'm telling you guys, I can't see, but you know what I'm talking about. So again, 1 more. Okay, it's not easy, but you can do it. Okay, hyaluronic After that, it dries and you do not need to wash your hair. Don't wash your hair for at least, I will say, like 6 hours, ideally a day. Okay, it's in. So now it's here. 5, 5. Now on the scalp, you roll and back. It's fine. Roll and back, it's fine. You want to lift slightly better, but trust me, nothing is going to happen if you're going to roll back and forth. On the scalp, on the skin, I still prefer roll, lift, because the needles doesn't go in the same exact hole, so you will get a little bit slightly 5%, 10% better benefits. Why not? But you can totally do that. Now, last split of the hair and hyaluronic application. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, yeah, be careful. Do not tangle. If your hair is tangling, put more serum. Maybe you have more hair. All right, I'm gonna speed this up right now. I'm gonna do the other half of my head. And I go a little bit over. I'm pumping more hyaluronic between my fingers, and I kind of gonna go a little bit more over the hairline here, because we all start balding from the front, mainly, mostly. And with age, we all have sooner or later residing hairline. So I'm kind of gonna do this. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. Putting Dermaroller back. There's still foam. And I'm gonna put more foam, and I'm gonna put this away, put the lid on, and I'm gonna wait until the foam gonna settle. Tonight I'm gonna rinse with the filter water, wait until the dryness gonna go away, then close it and leave it in my drawer, like where I keep the rollers. And basically that's it. You do not want to wash your hair today. If you do this in the morning, it's fine. In the evening, you can wash it. I definitely not gonna wash until tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna give 24 hours to for Dermaroller to start kind of stimulate collagen production and everything. And of course, before that, I forgot to tell you, you guys disinfect your hands as well, because you are touching right now and still helping to stimulate collagen and elastin, keratin production in your skin. Those micro channels, micro wounds cause like a mini trauma, so your skin cells go there and tries to repair everything. That's how muscles are being grown in the body. When you want to have a six-pack, you have to do micro tears in the muscle. That's why we are very sore after workout. In order for muscle to grow, it has to be broken, literally. Same with the skin. That's how nature works. Sometimes if you want to be stronger in life, you have to be broken. I love you guys so much, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Sending you a lot of love and blessings to your house. Mwah. Any questions? Leave me down below.